And you can hear she don't sound so good. First time on this location. For the 2011. Got a little bit of an issue here. So we're going to shut this one down here. Make sure that's it. There may be another one here that's froze up down the line, but we'll check them all. But this is kind of a storage facility here. Yeah, we're good. That one don't sound too good, does it? Starting to ice up on this one. And this is starting to become a problem here. I'll just let it thaw out for a minute. Come back and recheck this one over here. Our evaporator is a solid block of ice, so I'm pretty sure this is going to be it right here. Let's get this ice off and see if we can get some gauges on it and get some Freon back in here after we defrost it. Alright guys. Alright, so here we are. I didn't bring my camera in yet, so I'm gonna just get this on my iPhone here. Here's the model and serial. Here's our unit here. This is what we had. You see we're in some storage facility in here. So right here's what we got on the board. Yeah, it's pretty serious. I don't see any marking or anything bad on the back, but that's it on the board. So let's go ahead and run to our next one. The next one's going to be a TXV, so let's get that, guys. Alright guys, just wanted to show you this. Right there on the PM on a gas, 80% carrier. Normal stuff, you know. Capacitor was weak, you know, we cleaned the burner rail, igniter was good, everything was good. So I was buttoning it all up and I just noticed I had to look at the back of the door. They installed some board here blocking our fresh air intake. for our motor, smaller motor that pushes the flue out. That motor needs a fresh supply secondary than what goes through the unit. So by blocking this up like this and shutting the door, we're going to starve it, and it's not going to flow the right amount of air that it needs through the heat exchanger, and we could possibly have some issues with it. I haven't run the system with the door shut, and I'm not going to. I'm going to go ahead and pull it off and recommend that they keep it off. So